Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to customize a Shopify Prestige theme. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and of course we have to log into our Shopify store. So just visit the Shopify store, and then once you're here, as you can see, this is my current theme, which is the spotlight. So what am I going to do now is to simply scroll down, and let me just close the other tab. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see this add theme option, so you can click on this one or simply scroll down. Then right here you'd be able to see these different themes. Now just click on visit theme store. Okay, so another tab will open, and then right here you just have to look for the Prestige theme. And if you cannot find it right here, you can use the search bar at the top right. So just click on this magnifying glass icon. Okay, and then we're just going to type out Prestige. Okay, so you just have to click on this one. Okay, so as you can see, the Prestige theme is not for free, so we have to pay for $380 for this one, or you can also try this theme for free. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds while the theme is on their way to your store. Okay, so after that, you just have to scroll down, and right here, you'll be able to see our Prestige theme. So you just have to click on customize. Okay, and then the theme will open. Now we can start customizing this theme. Now, if we know the basic things about customizing a theme, so we just have to do that. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to show you in how you can change the image. Okay, so for example, we have this section right here. So right here at the top center, we have the pages. So let us customize the home page. So we have here the product section, we have the collections, we also have before and after, and more. So we're gonna customize the first section. Okay, so let's go back at the top. So to customize or change the elements, you just have to simply click on it. And then right here at the left side, we'd be able to see this settings. Okay, so we have here the image. So we can upload our own image, or we can also explore free images. So for example, click on select image. And for this one, I am going to use this explore free images. And then you can use the search bar at the top to search for a specific category. So for example, I want to use this one. So just make sure that you use the recommended sizing of the image that you should add. Okay, so this one is not really good, but since this is just for free, so I'll be using this one. So of course, you can upload your own image. Okay, so let me just go back right here because I forgot to click on select. Okay, so when choosing your image, make sure to click on select before closing the settings. Okay, so let me just click on select right here at the bottom right of this section. Next, if you would want to use another image for the mobile view, so all you have to do is to click on this mobile view section right here, and then you can select your image or explore free images again. So to make it clear, I will try to use another image for the mobile view. So let me just use the search bar again, and I'll be looking for another image. I think this one. Okay, so you just have to click on it and then click on select. So let us try to preview this real quick. Okay, so when I click on the mobile view right here, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so let me just go back to my desktop view. Next thing that we should do here is we can add our content. So we have here subheading, heading, and more. So for the subheading, using the desktop view, we can type it out right here. We can tell our story, or we can add any subheading, of course. Okay, so let me just type out, for example, hello. And then for the heading, so let me just show you. Okay, so here, this is what I mean. Okay, next is for the heading. For example, I would want to type out makeup. Next is for the mobile content position. So we can change it right here. So we have middle center. So I'm just going to select middle center again. And then for the desktop content position, so we have also this options. I'm going to select middle center. And for the content maximum width, so we can adjust here the pixels. Okay, and then for the button one, so we can type right here the text for the button one. We also have here the link, so we can paste here the link or search for the button one. And take note to make the slide fully clickable, leave the button 1 text and button 2 settings empty. So if you want to apply this, so just have to follow this note, okay? Now for the style, we can change the color of the background. So I'll be using this color, okay? And then next is the color of your text. So I'll be using black. And then I'm going to leave the button 2 settings. And right here we have the style. So I'll be using this background. And then for the text colors, I'm going to leave that as well. So right here we have the colors. So I'm going to use this background for this one. Okay, so this is what I mean. Next is the color of the text. And then if you would like to add color border, so you can click on border. And then if you would want to add gradient overlay, so just click on the gradient overlay. Now once you're satisfied with the changes, all I have to do is to close the settings and try to customize the rest of the elements. Okay, so let me just go back right here. And as you can see for this section, we have this view. Okay, next is for the collections. If you would like to customize this one, you can click on this collection section right here and then just have to select your collection. So here at the left side, we have the number of the products that we can show. Okay, so let me just click on this one. Okay, then right here we have the collection, and then below it we have the products to show section. So we just have to adjust it if how many products we want to show in this section. So for example, I want to show 5 products. So this is how it's going to look like. And then if you'd like to add heading, so you just type it out right here. And of course, don't forget the linked URL. Okay, and then for the linked text as well. So I'm just going to type out the view all and then let's close this one. Okay, next thing is we are going to add here our products as well as the length of our product. But before that, let me just go here at the top and click on the product settings and show you my default product. So this is the default product. Okay, so I think this is good. So after that, let's go back to our homepage. Let me show you first the collection, default collection. So click on the pages and click on the collections. Okay, then click on default collection. So we have this now. So I think this is good. So we can go back now to home page. Okay, so just click on the pages. You can add a tab center. Okay, this one, and click on home page. Okay, so let's go to the about section or the product section. Okay, so let us try to add here now our product. For example, this one, I would want to use this image. Okay, I want to use this one. So take note that you can upload your own, okay? And then after that, right here at the left side, we can adjust the settings. So let's start with the color scheme. So for scheme number 4, I am going to customize this one. So just click on edit. Then here we have the general background. So I'll be using this background color. Okay, that's right. Next thing that we can do is to change the body text color. So for example, this one. Okay, so this is for the general color scheme. Okay, so I'm just showing you this. Okay, so right here we also have the buttons color. Okay, so I think this is good now. Let us close this one. And then right here we can also change the content position. So I'm going to use the bottom left. Okay, and then for the subheading, just have the typo right here, the subheading, and of course the heading. And we have here the button text as well, and the button link. So for the button link, so for example, I'm going to click on products, and then you have to select that specific product. Okay, so of course you should use the relevant image for this specific product link. So we have the button style right here. I'm going to select a solid button. And then for the colors, for the overlay, I'm going to select black. So one of the feature of the Prestige theme is they also have the before and after section. So let's go back right here and scroll down. So we have here the before and after section. So for example, if you're selling products or makeup products, so this section is good. Okay, so let's go back right here and try to customize this section. So just simply click on it. Then right here at the left side is we can upload our image. Okay, so we can select image or explore free images. So of course, if you have your own store, you have to select your own images, okay? I'm just going to search for relevant images that I can use. So for example, face. Okay, so I'll be using this one. Just have to click on it and click on select. Okay, and then of course you can also adjust this border line. Okay, so you just have to simply drag this arrow to your left or to your right. Okay, so the next thing that we can customize here is we also have the color scheme. And then if you think you're good to go with this section, so you just have to simply go back right here and click on save. Okay, so as you can see, it is now a functional section. So let me just customize this more. So let's go back right here, and then we can upload right here the mobile image, of course. So this is just for the mobile view. So if you would want to upload an image for your mobile, just click on select image or see more images. Okay, so right here for the skim one, I think I'm going to leave that one as it is. So we can proceed to the next one. So let us try to customize or add our new section. Okay, so we just clicked on the sections icon at the top left of our screen. So this one. So just click on it. So for example, right here. Okay, so we want to customize this heading at the top. You just have to click on it, and then if you would like to change the scheme color for this one, so just select your scheme color, or you can also start customizing this again. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this color. Okay, so this one over here, so you just have to select your color. The next is we are going to change the color of our text to make it more visible. So I'm going to use black for this one. Since the background color is lighter, so we're going to use a darker color for the text. Next, right here, we can enable sticky header, or we can also enable the hide on scroll. You can also show here separation border, or you can also show the reduce hide on a desktop. Okay, next is for our logo. So of course, we are going to upload our own logo right here. So just click on change and then click on select image. Okay, so I'll be using this logo for now and click on done. Okay, so of course, we are going to adjust the width of this logo. So I'm going to change this to 70 pixels and for the mobile view as well. Okay, so next thing that we should do is we have here the navigation. So of course, I'm going to use main menu for this one. And for the mobile menu, so you just have to select the menu that you want to use. So I'm going to select main menu as well. And then for the open drop down items on, so I am going to use hover and enable search. In for the sidebar navigation, so we have the color scheme right here. So if you would like to change or customize it, just click on change. And for the transparent header, we also have here the logo image, so we can use the same image that we use for this logo right here at the top left. And next, when we clicked on this gear icon right here, we can see the rest of the settings. So before saving this one, let me just click on the mobile view. Okay, so by the way, you can also customize this one while you're on a mobile view. So you can adjust all of the elements. So this theme could also be functional on both mobile view and desktop view. Okay, so once everything is ready, so you just have to click on save right here at the top right. And when you click on these three buttons right here, okay, you'd be able to click on preview. So just click on it and let me go back to the desktop view. Okay, so let me just preview this once again. Okay, now click on preview. So another tab will open. So let us try to click on the buttons that we have created earlier. So for example, this product. So we added link for this product. So when we clicked on it, you'd be directed to that specific product. And right here, we can add this to our cart or buy this now. And then when we go back right here to our homepage and see the rest of the elements that we added. Okay, so for the before and after section, so if you think this theme is good for your store, so you just have to click on the buy theme option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.